Hello, friends! Welcome to our letter pronouncing plus all funny animals you should know according to each alphabet, part 2. Our first letter is A. A for alligator. Our second letter is B. B for bison. Third letter is C. C for cheetah. Our fourth letter is D. D for donkey. Our fifth letter is E. E for eagle. Our sixth letter is F. F for frog. Our seventh letter is G. G for goat. Our eighth letter is H. H for hyena. Our ninth letter is I. I for injury. Our 10th letter is J. J for jaguar. Our 11th letter is K. K for koala. Our 12th letter is L. L for leopard. Our 13th letter is M. M for mongoose. Our 14th letter is N. N for nutria. Our 15th letter is O. O for octopus. Our 16th letter is P. P for parrot. Our 17th letter is Q. Q for quokka. Our 18th letter is R. R for raccoon. Our 19th letter is S. S for sheep. Our 20th letter is T. T for turtle. Our 20 letter is U. U for urchin. Our 22nd letter is V. V for vulture. Our 23rd letter is W. W. W for wolf. Our 24th letter is X. X for xerus. Our 25th letter is Y. Y for yak. And lastly, our 26th letter, which is Z. Z for zonkey. Yes, zonkey. Ask Mama or Papa to search for you. Okay, friends, tell next exciting